What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you a video on how to upgrade to High Sierra on your MacBook that is not supported. There's a whole list of supported MacBooks and unsupported MacBooks that you can just find online. So go ahead and open your Safari, and I'm on Mavericks. I was on Mavericks, and I upgraded to High Sierra, and everything works perfectly fine. So if you guys are on, like those different Mac OS versions that are lower and says that it's not supported. So if you go to Safari and just type in High Sierra, um, here you go. It's gonna pop up. And what you guys want to do is High Sierra supported Macs. You're gonna come here just to see, what Macs are supported and if yours aren't, and it'll give you a whole list here. You guys can go and click the technical specifications if you want more details. But here it is, 2009, 2010, all the way up to the MacBook Pro or the MacBook Airs. So what we want to go and do right now is you're gonna need two things, of course, your MacBook and a USB at least 16 gigs. Now, if you don't have 16 gigs, no problem. Just go to the store, get one. It's like 20 bucks, no more than that, maybe 25, and that's it. They're not expensive. Go ahead and buy yourself one, and then come back to this video, and go ahead to your Safari and type in High Sierra patch. Now, this is what you want, the patcher. You're going to need this for your upgraded Sierra. So here we go. You're going to see it. So let me just click it. And here's the page. Now before we go on, go to your App Store. And I think I got this stuff in the way. Oh, there we go. Okay. Go to the App Store and type in High Sierra. Now one second, guys. I'm just going to fix this. If you hear the fan, sorry, because I have not optimized my fan yet. I'm working on that. So go ahead and type in your password if you have one, and type in the App Store High Sierra. It's going to show macOS High Sierra, and it's going to say yours is not supported. Now here it is, guys. It says download, but I already have it, so it's no problem because I flashed it from a USB. So I probably don't have the latest update. So yeah, it's going to say it's unsupported, so that's okay. Close down your App Store and come back to this page. So what you guys want to do is come down here, and you're just going to find, you're going to see things you'll need, and it'll tell you a USB drive at least 8 gigs. Oh, okay, 8 gigs. But last time I did it didn't work, so I took 16. And you guys can see under High Sierra the unsupported Macs. So just come down, how to use. You want to find the download links. I think I passed them, but let's go back up. I think I where are they? I think I passed them, but give me a second. I thought they were on top there. Okay, this is all the stuff you're gonna need to do. So you guys can come to this web page and actually follow along, but I'll show you just the main steps. Now it's on this page. You guys will see it somewhere here. I don't know why I'm not seeing it. I'm just blind right now. But yeah, I already have it. Or just give me a second. I know it's here somewhere. Sorry guys, it's here. Okay, you know what I'm just gonna do? I'm just gonna look it up, but it is on this web page. I don't know why it's not showing. Download. Here we go. So let's see if this site gives me it. And there it is. Here it is, guys. So I'll provide this website in the description down below, so you guys can go ahead and download the latest version. Go ahead and click that. It's automatically getting down to your downloads, and you guys can close down your Safari. Just wait till that downloads. Depending on your internet speed, it might be slow, fast, but it's not too big of a file, so it should be fast. And oh, I put that a bit too high. My fan speed is a bit too high. Just put that default lowers down. Sorry guys, the fan might be a pain in the ass if you hear it. So yeah, go ahead and go to your downloads, macOS Sierra Patcher. Here it is, the DMG. It's going to ask you to open it. And if it doesn't allow you, I will show you, but it should allow you. So just go ahead. It's going to verify, it's going to attach, and it's going to go to your um, desktop screen right here. So here it is, guys. If it doesn't pop up, it should be in your downloads. Just go ahead and open it from there. So here it is. Open it up. You're going to see a little macOS Sierra Patcher right here. But before you do this, guys, go to Disk Utility. So you guys go to your Finder, and you're going to go to Disk Utility because you are going to have to wipe your USB drive completely so you can do this. And I think I'm in a, there we go, another smart folder. So, oops, wrong one. Sorry guys, I don't know why this was going to be a hard time. So here it is. Come down to Applications, go down to Utilities, open that up, and just go to Disk Utility. Simple. Go ahead and wipe your USB. Now, if you guys want to go back up your USB and just put it on your desktop, in case you have photos or music that you want to keep, just put it on your desktop and then come to this Disk Utility. Now, once you're here, guys, plug in that USB, and you're going to see your USB. Mine's called High Sierra, so mine's right here. And as you see, it's taking up 6 gigs. Go ahead and go to the Erase button, and make sure this is on macOS Extended Journaled. That's what you guys want to have it on, and then name it whatever you want. I named it High Sierra. You guys can name it your name or whatever you guys want. Go ahead and press Erase. I'm not going to press it because I already did this, but I will show you. So I'll go ahead and erase. It'll erase. Take a couple of minutes. Simple. Once that's done, you're all set to go. Close down Disk Utility. Come back to the macOS Sierra Patcher and come ahead and open this up. Double click, and it should open. Just wait for it to open, and this is how. Now this might pop up. That's no problem. Go ahead to System Preferences. That's normal, guys. And this is because it's an third-party application, not from the App Store. So go ahead and come to the Users and Groups. I think that's, or no, oops, sorry guys. Go to Security and Privacy. That always gets me confused. But yeah, go there and come here, and it's going to say, go to General, and go ahead and unlock this. Now, if you have a passcode, I think all you guys do, just go ahead and type in your password. So there we go. And it's going to provide this. Now, if that's on App Store, make sure it's on App Store and Identified Developers. So click it, and then keep this page open, minimize it, and then go ahead and try to open this up. And it should work. Okay, why is that giving me that problem? Open error. Oh, here we go. Open anyway. It's going to say right there. So I didn't see that part. So go ahead and open it, and you guys will see that. It's going to open up now because it's from an identified developer. Now we can go ahead and close Security and Privacy, and it's going to open up. Now, it's not going to let you download macOS Sierra on the App Store, as you guys saw before. So we're going to download it just from here. It's going to be really simple, guys. You still have that USB in. That's perfect. Just keep it in and wait for this to open up. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, it's going to say click icon to browse. You don't want to do that. You want to go ahead and find your USB. Now, if it isn't shown there, just press the refresh button and it should go there. But this is what we want to do, guys. You want to click this, and there should be a Tools button right here. I don't know why mine's not showing, but right beside Windows, there should be a Tools there, and it should say Download Mac OS Sierra. Go ahead and download it. It'll take about 15 minutes, whatever, how fast your download speed is on your internet. I don't know why it's not here, but it'll be there for you guys, don't worry. And go ahead and download it, and then it'll automatically put it on your USB, and it'll download. Go ahead and click icon to browse. It'll ask you to find the icon for your High Sierra. It should be in your applications right away. Go ahead and find it, and it should be there. Mine's not there because I already did all this, but go ahead and find High Sierra, press open, and it should provide you right to here, and it should have a check mark right on this icon, and then it'll tell you to start the operation. That's basically it, guys. Start the operation. It'll do its thing, put it on the USB, and that's it. You guys can go ahead and close all that down once all that stuff is done. Go ahead and keep your USB in, shut down your computer, keep your hand on the options alt at the bottom left, and power on your computer, and then open it by your USB. It'll show you your recovery or your main profile, and then your USB. Go ahead and click it, click the arrow under the USB on that screen, and then it'll load everything up, and you guys are all set to go. I hope this did help you out, guys. Comment down below if this helped you, and if you need any help, just hit me up on my social medias. They're in the descriptions. I hope this did help. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And that's it for today, guys. Have a great one, and I'm out.